Nag-check-in kami sa Dusit Thani for 3 days and 2 nights. Tol, treat me again. Last time we checked in sa Sofitel. Told Julie let me experience these things. Though there's a quite difference between Sofitel to Dusit Thani. Super thankful for this experience. After namin mag-check-in, we rest for a while. After that, naglibot-libot na kami sa mga malls near the hotel. We had dinner sa Glorieta here at Mamo 5. We are so full that night. After that, we need to work out. That's our life here. Kain, gym, and swimming. Buffet breakfast is my favorite part. Nagpakbusog kami kasi after that, we will swim. Nagpakasawa kaming naglangoy-langoy. And then, we went to MOA. Mas marami kasing mapapasyalan sa MOA kaysa sa mga mall here sa Ayala. We ate pika-pika full. Tol wanted us na magpa-massage but I suggest na nail polish na lang. After girly thing, we walk for a certain kilometer. Nagpakapagod talaga kami. And we eat at Yayoy. Second time ko kumain dito and napakasarap talaga ng pagkain nila. And these are my tolls, Tol Julie and Tol Nadine. Tol Lala is not with us. Nasa Australia kasi siya. Pagka-uwi namin, nag-gym kami to burn calories. And then, nag-night swimming ulit kami. Ang sarap lang ng ganitong buhay. Kain, gym, swimming, and inuman. Joke. Napakabilis lang ng pangyayari. Kinabukasan, last buffet na namin. Ganun lang kabilis. Bye!